Hey, what's going on, everybody? As many of you all know from previous videos, I really do enjoy using products from Ivoclar. And today we have a box of goodies that we're gonna unbox for all of you. But before we dive in, I'm gonna give you a little bit of background information. So for my handcrafted porcelain veneers, my ceramist and I enjoy using Emax. In order to obtain excellent results, smile design, material selection, those things are important, but that has to be paired up with great cementation materials and techniques in order to achieve long-lasting results. For me, it always kind of made sense in order to stick with materials within the same family. So because I do use a lot of Emax, it only made sense for me to stick with Ivoclar. So let's open this up in order to show you guys what's inside. So let's open this here, open that flap here. All right, so we have the VarioLink Aesthetic Dual Cured Cementation System kit. This has everything inside that you need in order to get some predictable results. We also have a few other things in here. I'm just gonna move this off to the side. In order to supplement the dual cured system, I also got a bunch of light cured cements. This is the VarioLink Aesthetic Light Cured Cements here. There are 5 syringes in total. I got one of each shade. So we have warm plus, warm, neutral, light, and light plus. I really like using the light cured option for example, cementing veneers when you need a little bit more working time. I've been using this product for years, and one great thing is the color stability, because both the light cured as well as the dual cured options are 100% amine free. The other thing that I really like is the handling of the material as well as the easy cleanup. My patients have always been happy, smiling ear to ear, and touch wood, I haven't had a veneer dislodge or discolor over time. So I'm really happy with this material here. And so I'm gonna move this off to the side. And the other goodie that I got in this box is the Blue Phase G4 Curing Light. Now, you can consider this light a smart light because it can detect when the light is moving while it is curing by giving a sensory feedback in a form of a vibration to the operator. This is almost like having lane assist in one of those brand new cars. It's a pretty cool feature in order to ensure that you're curing for the right amount of time, and I'm curious to see how well it works. Well, that's all for today, a really simple video. We will make separate videos in order to show you what you get inside each of these boxes. But for now, that's it. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we'll see you all later. Peace.